Le concept Ortholine nous a permis de retravailler.
The Ortholine concept has allowed us to revise the entire production process through production flows, workshops and a workshop with workstations that have been redesigned through the Ortholine concept to optimize production times as well as production flows.
Permettre d'optimiser les temps de réalisation ainsi que les flux de production.
La méthode Lean est une philosophie.
The Lean method is a philosophy and thus includes tools such as the Ortholine color concept, which not only helps us with the manufacturing of devices, but also shop floor management with SQCDP and furthermore the 5S method.
Et ensuite les méthodes 5S.
Dans le cadre de l'implémentation du concept Ortholine, nous avons eu des échanges hebdomadaires.
As part of the implementation of the Ortholine concept, we had weekly discussions with the Ottobock team to plan the entire production process, implementation and on-site rollout, and of course also to be able to evolve it according to the needs of technicians for realizing medical devices.
Pour la réalisation des dispositifs médicaux.
Ortholine is designed to provide an efficient workspace where everything is in its place.
Avec le concept Ortholine,
Thanks to the Ortholine concept, we have workstations that are completely open. The tools are easily accessible and visible to the technician. This also enhances versatility and allows a technician to change the workplace or change the workpiece by moving from a station dedicated to prosthesis to a station dedicated to orthosis.
le site d'Anglet, comme tous les sites du réseau orthopédique.
The Anglais site, like all sites that form part of the Ottobock Patient Care Network and Service, is subject to the European Medical Device Regulation.
ISO 13485.